FA don't have money to organize, to us as a competition. It's between our members is a FA, but our member cannot organize without the help of the government. So they are together.
Kasarani and Kinoru, good work is going on, and the team is generally thinks that that work continues will be done well. Machakos, Nyayo, and Kipkeino needs us now to step up, and as you have seen, the contracting work is going on now. And in the month of July, you will see a lot of work being done in those stadiums. Many other things, hotels, transport, hospitality, hospitals also, manpower, they don't even have comments to give us in those areas because we are excellent in those areas.